Today we're making some black sesame paste from scratch. There are many uses to it. At the end of this video, you will learn this hack that no one will ever tell you, so make sure you stick around. Now if you're ready, let's get started. First, spray some coconut oil evenly onto the skillet. Then we're going to toast 2 cups of black sesame seeds. Use low heat. Keep stirring to prevent them from burning. When you hear them popping, that means they're ready. Here I'm using a Thermomix, a versatile kitchen appliance that combines multiple functions like chopping, blending, cooking, steaming, and kneading, all into a single device. Just to give you an idea, the newest T7 model launching is priced $2,300, so I'm testing it to see how much better it is compared to my Blendtec. Okay, back to this. Add 2 cups of toasted black sesame seeds into your blender. 6 tablespoons of maple syrup. Adjust to your liking. Blend. After the first round, scrape down the sides of the blender. Let it rest for 5 minutes, then blend again. I'm watching the temperature because we don't want the machine to overheat. I busted my Blendtec last time from overworking it.
Whoa.
Okay, now I have to scrape it down again and let it rest for 30 minutes between each round instead.
8 hours later.
Blend until you get a paste-like consistency. I just love its velvety glossy texture, thick yet smooth, and the flavor is unbelievably rich and creamy. As you can see, the only ingredients are black sesame seeds and maple syrup. Keep it in an airtight jar up to 2 weeks in the fridge or freeze it for up to 3 months. Here's a little secret. Just buy the black sesame paste from the store. The one on the left is from Taiwan and the other one is from Japan. Both have just one ingredient, black sesame seeds, and each costs $8. If you make everything from scratch like me, I'm telling you, it's not worth the time or the risk of breaking your blender. I busted my Blendtec last time and this time nearly ruined the Thermomix. Depending on your preference, just add 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup and mix. That's it. No fuss. And it tastes exactly the same as if you made it from scratch. In the next episode, we'll be making these healthy, low-calorie black sesame mooncakes. No cooking or baking required. They taste just like the store-bought ones, so stay tuned. So Blendtec versus Thermomix. Blending-wise, the Thermomix isn't stronger than my Blendtec, but of course, it's way more versatile. And if you've enjoyed today's video, I'm sure you'll also enjoy the next video here. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye!